Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we explore an extraordinary spiritual principle from the ancient Hawaiian tradition of Ho'oponopono, the power of 100% responsibility. What if the most powerful stance you can take is one of total, complete, 100% responsibility for everything you experience? This concept isn't about blame or guilt. Instead, it's the gateway to true freedom, healing, and the miraculous shifts that Ho'oponopono is known for. By the end of this episode, you'll understand the origins of this wisdom, the science and spiritual philosophy supporting it, and most importantly, step-by-step ways to make 100% responsibility the foundation for your own healing and growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more spiritual wisdom. Let's begin by illuminating what Ho'oponopono is, where it comes from, and why the principle of total responsibility is at its very core. Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. Traditionally, it was performed as a group ritual within a community to correct broken relationships. The word itself can be broken down. Ho means to make, and ponopono means right. So, quite literally, Ho'oponopono means to make right or to rectify an error. But the error it refers to isn't an error someone else made against you. The fundamental error is within our own memories, our own perceptions. The modern version of this practice, which we'll be focusing on today, was simplified and brought into the mainstream by the late Dr. Ihaleakala H.W. Len. He famously used it to heal an entire ward of criminally insane patients at the Hawaii State Hospital, without ever seeing a single one of them face to face. His philosophy was that their illness was simply a manifestation of a shared, toxic energy, and by taking 100% responsibility for it existing in his reality, he could clean it and help heal it at its source. The results were nothing short of miraculous. Within a few years, the entire ward was transformed. Patients were healed, released, and the ward eventually shut down because it was no longer needed. This story perfectly illustrates the radical premise. By healing the parts within us that co-create a painful reality, we heal the reality itself. The concept of 100% responsibility in Ho'oponopono isn't about blame or shame. Instead, it reflects the principle of unity consciousness, that we are intimately connected with all aspects of life, others, events, and even apparent problems, and that healing ourselves heals the world. The idea of taking responsibility for our inner vibrational patterns finds resonant echoes in spiritual psychology, quantum theory, and even the philosophies of Carl Jung, who suggested, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. The philosophy of 100% responsibility is the big one. The concept that most people struggle with, but also the one that holds the most transformative power. Ho'oponopono is built on the premise that we are 100% responsible for everything that appears in our lives. Not at fault, but responsible. Let me explain the crucial difference. Fault implies blame and guilt. Responsibility is about your ability to respond. It means that your outer world is a perfect reflection of your inner world. Every person, every situation, every problem that triggers you is there because it resonates with a memory, a program, a wound within you. They are mirrors. So, if someone is rude to you, instead of reacting to their rudeness, Ho'oponopono invites you to ask, what part of me created or attracted this experience? What memory within me is this bringing up for healing? This is a paradigm shift from victimhood to empowerment. It moves you from, why is this happening to me, to, why is this happening through me? When you accept that you are the co-creator of your entire experience, you suddenly have the power to change it. You are no longer at the mercy of external events. So, how do we actually do this? How do we clean these memories? Dr. Hew Len's modern adaptation uses 4 simple, yet unbelievably profound phrases. They are not a magic spell to be chanted mindlessly. They are a heartfelt prayer, a message to the divine, to yourself, and to the universe to transmute error into light. The 4 mantras are: I'm sorry. This is you acknowledging that an error, a memory, exists within your consciousness. You are not apologizing for a specific action, but saying, I am sorry that this shared pain is part of our experience. 2. Please forgive me. This is a request to the divine, to life, to your own higher self, to help release and cut the cords of this memory. You are asking for forgiveness for the part you played in holding on to this energy. 3. Thank you. This is expressing gratitude in advance for the cleansing. It's an affirmation of faith that the healing is already happening. For, I love you. This is the most powerful transmuting energy in the universe. You are sending love directly to the memory, to the pain, to the part of you that is hurting. Love neutralizes the negative energy and returns you to a state of 0, of pure potential. You don't need to know the specific memory. You just need to feel the problem and apply the tool. Let's make this practical. Here's exactly how you can integrate Ho'oponopono into your daily life. Step 1. Identify the trigger. The moment you feel a negative emotion, anger, fear, resentment, stress, pause. Recognize that this feeling is your signal to clean. It could be a difficult email, a pain in your body, a worry about money, or a memory of a past event. Step 2. Take internal responsibility. Silently, in your mind, affirm, whatever is going on in my reality, I am willing to take 100% responsibility for it appearing in my experience. I see this as a part of me that needs healing. Step 3. Apply the mantra. Begin to repeat the 4 phrases. You can say them in order, or you can focus on the one that feels most resonant at the moment. Say them to the feeling, to the memory, to the person involved, to your own body, or directly to the divine. The key is to feel them, not just recite them. I'm sorry for whatever is within me that has contributed to this pain. Please forgive me for holding on to this energy. Thank you for healing and releasing this. I love you. I send love to this situation and to myself. Step 4. Let go and trust. You don't need to know how the healing will happen. Your job is not to micromanage the outcome. Your job is to clean. Release the need to control the result and trust that by cleaning your side of the street, the entire situation will shift in the most perfect way. Step 5. Integrate it into your daily routine. You don't need a crisis to practice. You can practice while driving, doing dishes, or in meditation. Clean on your general state of being. Say the phrases to your home, your finances, your relationships. Make it a continuous process of inner house cleaning. Advanced tips and applications. Apply Ho'oponopono to collective issues. Send the 4 phrases toward world events, generational patterns, or ancestral wounds, believing that healing the part within you contributes to healing the greater whole. Pair with breath work or meditation. Combine silent repetition with slow breathing or a short meditation to soften resistance and amplify the practice. Use in relationship repair. When conflict arises, pause and do Ho'oponopono internally. Instead of pushing the other to change, clear what is being triggered in your own awareness. Journal your patterns. Regularly reflect on recurring experiences or complaints, writing the 4 phrases beside each one. Express gratitude for results, even, or especially, when outcomes aren't immediate or dramatic. Express gratitude for each opportunity to practice and grow. Common questions and misunderstandings. Does taking 100% responsibility mean I caused harm to others? No, it means recognizing that healing begins within, that our perceptions are filtered through our memories and programs, and that by transforming ourselves, we transform what we experience. You never excuse abuse or injustice. Instead, you reclaim your ability to choose love and clarity in how you respond and heal. So, what is the ultimate goal of all this cleaning? Ho'oponopono practitioners call it reaching a state of zero. It's a place of pure potential, void of the noisy, limiting data of past memories. It's a state of peace, clarity, and inspiration where the divine can flow through you and your life effortlessly. By practicing Ho'oponopono, you are not just fixing problems. You are gradually erasing the blueprint that creates them. You are returning to your true, natural state of being. The power of 100% responsibility is, ultimately, the power to choose peace in any circumstance. It is the realization that the outer world may be shared, but your inner world is your sovereign domain, and you have the tools to keep it clean. If this resonated with you, share your experiences or questions in the comments below. This community is a wonderful place to learn and grow together. What will you be cleaning on today? Most importantly, if you found value in this video and believe it could help others on their path, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on spiritual practices that empower and heal. It truly helps this message reach those who need to hear it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your courage to look within and clean. Remember, peace begins with you. Say it with me now, for whatever is coming up for you, I am responsible for everything I see, experience, or encounter, not because I'm at fault, but because everything is arising within my awareness. Until next time.